Kelly Shaffner here. It's a Stitch Fix day. Is there any better day of the week? I love receiving my Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a style subscription service where I took a short style survey. I was paired with a stylist who puts together this box, a box with 5 pieces for me to try on at home. I buy what I love. I send back anything that doesn't work for me. Postage is free. There's a $20 styling fee, and that fee is applied towards anything that you decide to keep in the box. If you need more information about Stitch Fix or you would like to receive a fix for yourself, all the information and my link is in the description below. If you're new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. I sure hope you'll subscribe. I make videos all about women's clothing, and I love a mystery. I love the element of surprise that comes with these style boxes. You can peek. There is a way to cheat and peek and see what you are getting. I never do that because I am a lover of all things a surprise. So here is my box. Let's open it and see what I got, and I'll try it all on. All right, this is the inside of the box, and like I said, there is always a return mailer to mail back anything that doesn't work for me. Look at here. That's a jewelry box. I haven't received jewelry in a while, and it doesn't shake. And there is an envelope here. This envelope's kind of beat up, but this is an envelope that has a note from my stylist as well as an invoice, and this is the bundle. Okay, you can't see anything there, but there's the bundle. What do you think? It looks a little blue to me. Some stripes. Let's break into it. Okay, on the top is a striped blouse. This looks to be a longer length too. This is a stretchy brushed knit and a bit of a boat neck. It's by the brand Colette. This is the Piper knit top. I think I have this top in cream and green, and I like it. It is a little bit clingy, and this is a size medium, so that's what I found. After I washed this top, the one in green, I don't wear it as much because it shrunk a little bit and it's a little bit clingy. We'll see what this one fits like. Number 2 is something in navy. I think it's a t-shirt. Oh, but it's a long t-shirt. This is by Mixed by 41 Hawthorne, and so what is this? Okay, you're looking at it with me. This looks like a plain navy t-shirt, crew neck dress with a pocket. Let me read it. This is the Allison L Essential, I think it's supposed to be Essential, shirt swing dress. So, okay, it's got a bit of a swing on the bottom. Okay, right off the bat, I don't know. We'll see how this one works. The next piece is by Westkey, and this is navy. It does look black on my monitor, but this is a navy blouse. It's long sleeve, and it's got an orange floral on it. There is a bit of a detail, like a cross detail, and the front is shorter than the back with a rounded hemline. And there's a snap, or this one's going to be awesome, right? This is by 41 Hawthorne, and this is really a beautiful color blue. This does have a scallop neckline. It is a high neckline, long sleeve, soft sweater. I like this one. This might be my favorite piece in the box, but we have jewels, so let's see what the jewels are. The jewels are by Kate Spade. They are that sparkle large princess cut earrings in rose gold. Ooh. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, look at how pretty these are. Wow. Okay. Okay. I like sparkle an awful lot, and the rose gold is very pretty. And it came with a little dust bag, so that's cool. Like, if you needed a gift, these would be a fabulous gift. And there's a little dust bag to put them in, and then you can put them in the Stitch Fix box. Let's try everything on. The price on this Stitch Fix is really, really good. I do have a substitute stylist. Sally styled this fix, and in her note she mentions that she read over my feedback and she selected these pieces based on past feedback. And I think the feedback that she focused on was probably the price points. I often have to remind my stylist to keep the pieces in my preferred price point because sometimes they push the limit, and this is very reasonably priced, but there's nothing really in this box that wows me. I do like the earrings a whole lot, but let's go over each piece. Oh, first, I'll tell you the price. The entire price of all 5 pieces is $222. Yeah, and the discount is $55.50. If I was to keep everything, Stitch Fix offers a 25% discount, which brings the total to $166.50. If you like any of the pieces that I receive and you want to request them from my stylist, you can get the exact name in the description box below. I always write that in there because I know some of you want to make those requests. Okay, the first one I tried on is the West Key blouse. This is a brand that I do like. I own a couple pieces by this brand. That might be why she sent it. This one is called the Beacon Inman tie sleeve top. So it's a long 3/4 sleeve. It's not quite a full length sleeve, and it does have these ties, which I did not like. They were just kind of flopping around. That's a little bit too short to tie in a bow. I don't want bows anywhere, honestly. I don't want bows on my garments, so I don't like the sleeve detail on this one. And normally I like sleeve detail, but the thing I like least about this top, it's a V-neck. It is a faux wrap. It wraps in the front, but it is connected. But this is completely open. There is a little security stitch right there, but that little stitch did not prevent this top from opening on its own. So yeah, this is a wardrobe malfunction waiting to happen for me, because I do have a chest and I would just have to be very careful, wear a cami. I don't like this top enough to keep it. It's only $40. Not my thing. The next top is the Colette navy and white striped top with the boat neck, the 3/4 sleeves. This is a stretchy knit top. I like this one. I just know that this top will shrink with the first wash. And I think it's a great fit now. That's why I bought it the first time I got it. When I got it in green, it was such a nice fit, but it did shrink up in the wash, and I don't wear it any longer just because it got kind of snug. Well, you can see it's already snug in the try-on, but I think that's the way it's kind of designed. I like the longer length. It feels really nice. It's very soft. It's only $38. So I like the price point on this one. I remember thinking when I got this top the first time, when I got the green one, I loved it so much. I wanted to try everything Colette. Do you have anything by this brand in your closet, and do you like it? And how is it holding up for you? Because I can remember I wanted to try everything Colette when I received the green top just like this. So I'm going to send this one back, and I do have navy and white stripes already. So yeah, I'm not sad to send it back. Next up is the sweater, 41 Hawthorne with the really cool scallop neckline. I love scallops. If you remember last year, I bought half a dozen sweaters with scallop neckline and also with scallop cuffs. This one doesn't have anything special on the cuff. This is a long 3/4 length sleeve. Do you guys see Talbots in this sweater? This looks like a sweater that you could pick up at Talbots. But yeah, it's 41 Hawthorne, offered by Stitch Fix, $58. It's a pretty plain sweater, so it would be a great piece to have to wear with almost any jacket in my wardrobe or different colored cardigans. So I think this would be a versatile piece. I like this sweater. I will happily add it to my wardrobe if there's a need. If it fits into my wardrobe, I think I will keep this one. I think it's going to be a very versatile piece for the upcoming seasons. The last clothing piece is the 41 Hawthorne t-shirt dress. I think this is the Allison Essential dress. So I'll leave the name in the description box below if you need the essential dress. This does have, it is a swing style. There's no pockets on this, but the price tag is only $38. It's a great price tag for a simple dress like this. There's a lot you can do with this dress. It's a really plain palette to start with. I just don't need it, but I did put it on and I thought this would look great with my olive color utility jacket and a pair of tennis shoes, but I'm not going to keep it. I didn't even bother to style it because I'm not interested in it. It's a rayon and spandex blend, and it's very, very thin. And the stylist mentioned that this would be a great transition piece. I think it's too thin, honestly, to transition. I feel like this is a dark summer dress, and I don't really want it, so I'm going to send it back. The hidden gem in this fix happens to be the gems. The Kate Spade earrings. Oh, these are fun. I am wild about these. And check out the back. I do own Kate Spade earrings, but nothing like this. The backs of these earrings happen to be spades. Isn't that awesome? So, yeah, the earrings are $48. And that's par for the course for Kate Spade. There's no markup from Stitch Fix. So I think I am going to keep these earrings. In fact, I'm kind of excited to have these earrings. I do have special earrings to wear for the wedding. These earrings will style with like every outfit that I am going to wear on my little mini vacation next week. So yeah, I'm going to treat myself to some Kate Spade earrings. What about the sweater? Do you like the sweater? I need to check out my closet, but I might just have a new sweater as well. Please let me know what you think about the items that I received in this fix. Would you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? And if you're not subscribed, it is time. Please subscribe before you leave. I have more boxes to share with you. So come back for the next video and I will see you in that one. Blessings to all of you.